Hello, little explorers, and welcome to Wildling Tales. Today, we are setting off on a wonderful animal adventure to meet creatures from grasslands, oceans, forests, farms, and even the deep sea. Some are giant and strong, while others are tiny and busy. We will discover animals that hop, crawl, swim, fly, and climb. Along the way, we will learn about their homes, favorite foods, special features, and the clever ways they stay safe. A few of these amazing animals even need protection so future generations can enjoy them too. Get ready to meet 16 fascinating animals and uncover fun facts that make each one unique. Our wild journey is about to begin, so put on your explorer hat and let's go. The rhinoceros is one of the largest land animals in the world. It has thick gray skin and a strong horn on its nose that helps it stay safe. Rhinos live in grasslands and forests, where they spend much of their day eating grass, leaves, and plants. Even though they look tough and powerful, they usually enjoy a calm life. A rhino can run surprisingly fast when needed. Baby rhinos stay close to their mothers and learn important skills as they grow. Some rhinoceros species need protection, so people work hard to help keep them safe in nature. The caterpillar may be small, but it has a very exciting life. These little creatures crawl slowly on leaves and spend much of their time eating plants. Caterpillars come in many colors and patterns, helping them blend into their surroundings and stay safe. Most caterpillars hatch from eggs laid by butterflies or moths. As they grow, they shed their skin several times. One of the most amazing things about a caterpillar is that it changes into a butterfly or moth later in life. This incredible transformation makes the caterpillar one of nature's most fascinating creatures. The manatee is a gentle animal that lives in warm rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. It swims slowly using its paddle-shaped tail and flippers. Manatees enjoy eating seagrass and other water plants, making them peaceful plant eaters. Their large round bodies can make them look heavy, but they move gracefully through the water. Manatee mothers take great care of their babies and often swim beside them. These friendly animals spend much of their day resting and feeding. Some manatee populations need protection, and many people work together to help keep their habitats healthy. The frilled shark is a mysterious animal that lives deep in the ocean. It has a long body that looks a little like an eel and special frilled gills along its sides. This ancient-looking shark has existed for a very long time and is often called a living fossil. Frilled sharks swim through dark waters and look for food such as fish and squid. They are usually active far below the surface where sunlight does not reach. Because people rarely see them, they remain one of the ocean's most unusual and fascinating creatures. Ants are tiny insects that live in large groups called colonies. These hard-working animals communicate using special scents and work together to build tunnels and gather food. Ants can be found in forests, gardens, and many other places around the world. Even though they are small, some ants can carry objects much heavier than themselves. Each ant has an important role in its colony. By moving seeds and helping break down natural materials, ants play an important part in nature. Their teamwork makes them some of the busiest animals on Earth. The rhinoceros beetle gets its name from the horn-like structure on its head. This shiny insect can be found in forests and tropical regions. Despite its strong appearance, it mainly feeds on fruit, plant sap, and other natural foods. Rhinoceros beetles are known for their impressive strength and can lift objects many times their own weight. They are usually active at night and rest during the day. Their hard outer shell helps them stay safe. With their unique shape and amazing strength, rhinoceros beetles are among the most remarkable insects in the world. The kangaroo is famous for hopping across the grasslands of Australia. Its strong back legs and long tail help it move quickly and balance while jumping. Kangaroos eat grasses and plants and often live in groups. One of their most special features is the pouch carried by mothers. Baby kangaroos, called joeys, stay inside the pouch while they grow and develop. Kangaroos can travel long distances in search of food and water. Their powerful legs and unique movement make them one of the most recognizable animals on Earth. The red panda is a small tree-climbing animal with reddish fur and a fluffy striped tail. It lives in cool mountain forests and spends much of its time among branches. Red pandas enjoy eating bamboo, fruits, and other plant foods. They are often active during the early morning and evening hours. Their thick fur helps them stay warm in chilly habitats. Red pandas are excellent climbers and use their tails for balance. Today, red pandas need protection because their forest homes are becoming smaller, making conservation efforts very important. The cow is a familiar farm animal found in many parts of the world. Cows are gentle plant eaters that spend much of their day grazing on grass. They communicate with soft mooing sounds and often live in groups. Their large bodies and calm nature make them easy to recognize. Cows help people in many ways and have been important companions for humans for a very long time. Mother cows care for their calves and stay close to them. These peaceful animals play an important role on farms and in agricultural communities around the world. The hawk is a powerful bird known for its excellent eyesight. Hawks soar high in the sky using broad wings and can spot food from great distances. They live in forests, grasslands, mountains, and other habitats. Their curved beaks and strong talons help them handle food. Hawks are often active during the day and build nests where they raise their young. Parent hawks carefully protect and feed their chicks as they grow. With their graceful flight and sharp vision, hawks are among the most impressive birds in nature. The starfish is a fascinating sea creature that lives on the ocean floor. Most starfish have 5 arms, although some species have more. They move slowly using tiny tube feet underneath their bodies. Starfish come in many beautiful colors and can be found in shallow and deep waters. One amazing feature is their ability to regrow an arm if one is lost. They help keep ocean ecosystems balanced by feeding on small marine animals. Their unusual shape and special abilities make starfish exciting creatures to learn about. The rabbit is a small, furry animal known for its long ears and quick hopping. Rabbits live in grasslands, forests, and meadows, where they enjoy eating grasses, leaves, and vegetables. Their strong back legs help them move quickly and stay safe. Rabbits have excellent hearing and can detect sounds from far away. Baby rabbits grow quickly under the care of their mothers. Many rabbits are most active during the early morning and evening. Their soft fur, gentle nature, and playful movements make them popular animals around the world. The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth. Its long trunk helps it pick up food, drink water, and communicate with other elephants. These intelligent animals live in family groups and care deeply for one another. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits throughout the day. Their large ears help them stay cool in warm climates. Baby elephants remain close to their mothers and learn from the herd. Some elephant populations need protection, and conservation efforts help ensure these magnificent animals continue to thrive in the wild. Spiders are small animals that can be found in many different habitats around the world. Most spiders have 8 legs and use silk to create webs. These webs help them catch food and provide a place to rest. Spiders come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some live on the ground, while others prefer trees, gardens, or buildings. They are important in nature because they help control insect populations. Although many spiders are tiny, their silk building skills are truly remarkable and make them fascinating creatures to observe. The butterfly is one of nature's most colorful insects. Butterflies fly from flower to flower using their bright wings and long feeding tube. They drink nectar from flowers and help plants by carrying pollen. A butterfly begins life as an egg, then becomes a caterpillar before changing into its final form. Many butterflies are active during the day and enjoy sunny weather. Their beautiful patterns can help them blend in or stay safe. Butterflies add color and movement to gardens and play an important role in healthy ecosystems. The gorilla is the largest living primate and lives in the forests of Africa. These powerful animals have strong arms and spend much of their time on the ground, although they can climb when needed. Gorillas mainly eat leaves, stems, fruits, and other plants. They live in family groups led by an adult male called a silverback. Gorillas communicate through sounds, facial expressions, and body movements. They care for their young and work together as a group. Today, gorillas need protection, and many conservation programs help safeguard their future. What an incredible journey we shared today on Wildling Tales. We met the mighty rhinoceros, the transforming caterpillar, the gentle manatee, the mysterious frilled shark, and many more amazing animals from around the world. Each creature has special features that help it live, grow, and stay safe in its environment. We also learned that some animals need protection so they can continue to thrive in nature for years to come. Every animal plays an important role in keeping our world balanced and full of life. If you enjoyed exploring these wonderful creatures with us, please like and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you again on our next wild journey.